Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce harmonic intelligent Calibrate 3-phase AC/DC multifunctional standard source. This device is suitable for AC and DC testers, electric energy sensors, transmitters, and smart power equipment testing and calibration. It has a wide range of AC and DC signal output, harmonic superposition with a wide range of AC and DC signal output, shelf system test, and other core functions. Okay, now let's look at the panel. This is the display area, and this is the touchscreen. You can also click the display key below. Then here is an input button. Then here is a power output button. Voltage and current. Then here is the terminal interface. Voltage and current. And this is the confirmation button. Press it to confirm. Let's look at the back. Here is a power supply. 220 volt power input port, ground wire, switch. This is the output port for current and voltage. This is DC, and the back is AC. The output represents a high current output. It is used when the voltage is relatively high. This is a low current output. This is high and low voltage. Here is a 10 volt. 20 milliamperes input. There are two fans here. And below these terminals, a 4, 8, 5 interface, or S32 interface, which can be connected, high voltage and low voltage. Then here is a USB interface. And here, F. These are the power pulse input terminals. To receive the energy pulse of the calibrated meter. Okay, we're going to use one of these today. Voltage current output function. Let's test it. First, make sure it's turned on, and then. After turning on, this is the interface. We can see the main menu, harmonic settings, and working mode. Then there's the test value. We can manually enter here. We'll click the corresponding button here. For example, we click on the main menu. Here is also archive. This is a standard power supply. We'll click the one below, corresponding to the same. We will use the standard source for testing first. B, C 3 phases. We can automatically set the voltage. It has several gears. For example, we click here. 80 gear 220. 157.7, which can be adjusted. The current is the same. You can see that it will change here. According to different gears, you can also freely set values. For example, I will short the current first. Then click 1 to lose. Then you can enter the number here. For example, we set it to 120 volts. And set the current to 0.5. Then B phase and C phase can be freely set. And then we can click here for 3-phase output. We'll click on single phase. For example, we click here. Here we can click. Now, the phase is outputting a voltage and a current. And the B phase, or both phases can be output simultaneously. 3-phase, or click here to close. We'll click the simultaneous output. We can use a watch to test its voltage value. And AC. To check it. Check the AC voltage and turn it to AC. Then it's okay. For example, measure the voltage of phase A. 149.5, phase B. 57C, phase. We can also use a clamp meter to measure current. I won't do that today. If we turn off the machine after testing, we must first turn off the output, and then turn off the power. We're done. Thank you.